Hi, my dear students. How are you all? Are you safe and healthy? Okay. Did you remember the topics that we discussed in our last class? Okay. Shall I ask some questions? First question is, name the house made of ice blocks. Tell me, dears, what is the answer? Yes, very good. Igloo. Second question, name the house that are built in flood areas. What is the answer? Yes, very good. Stilt house. Okay, my dears, shall we start our today's class? Today, at first, we have to discuss about the things we must take care while constructing a house. The most important point is we must construct houses that suit the environment. Next one, plants and trees must be grown in the house premises. Then the next one is more windows should be included for the passage of air and light. Then the next one is planting grass and plants in the yard is better than concreting or fixing cement blocks. Then the last one, keep the house and premises clean always. So, these are the things that we must take care while constructing house. Okay, shall we move on to the next topic? Dear children, did you observe these pictures? Then say, what do you understand from this picture? Yes, the people seen in this picture live in great difficulty, right? Do you know what is the reason? Yes, there is no proper shelter for the people that we seen in this picture. Dear students, is it possible for us to ignore their suffering? No, right? So, our government has provided several schemes for the homeless people to build their houses. Besides these government schemes, there are several organizations and individuals who help the homeless people to build their houses. So, now we know that shelter is one of the basic needs of our life. Okay, shall we move on to the next topic? Our next topic is colorful garment. We studied that shelter is one of the most important basic needs of our life, right? Like shelter, clothing is also very important. Okay, I will show you a picture. Tell me, dears, what is this? Yes, our national bird, peacock, right? Look here, dears, how beautiful is the peacock? It has very beautiful feathers, right? Dear children, why do they have these feathers? Yes, the feathers help them to fly and escape from the cold. Dear students, have you observed these animals? Then say, what is their specialty? Yes, these animals live in very cold places, right? Their thick skin and hair helps them to protect from extreme cold. So, in birds, they have feathers, and these feathers help them to protect from cold. And in these animals, they have thick skin and hair. It helps them to protect from cold. So, we the human beings need clothes to protect us from cold, sunlight, attack from insects, and from dust and dirt. Clothes is also one of the most important basic needs of our life. So now we have to discuss about the different types of clothes. Dear children, did you know the different types of clothes? Okay, then say yes, woolen clothes, cotton clothes and silk clothes. Dear children, from where do we get these clothes? Yes, woolen clothes are made from the fur of sheep. And what about cotton clothes? Yes, cotton clothes are made from the fiber of cotton plant. Then the last one is silk clothes. Dear children, did you know what is it? Yes, it is a silkworm. It's a kind of worm that grows on mulberry plants. We get silk fiber from its cocoon, and we made silk clothes from these silk fiber. Okay, my dears, did you understand about the types of clothes? Okay, my dears, so now we learned about the clothes that are made of cotton, wool and silk. Besides these clothes, there are clothes made of artificial fibers like polyester and artificial silk. In olden days, cotton dresses were used more commonly in our country. There were no stitching machine at that time, so the woven cloth are worn without stitching. Leaves, flowers and tree sap were used to provide colors to the clothes. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, used to spun thread on the charkha and wear dress woven out of the thread. So, from the whole chapter, shelter and clothing, we understood that shelter and clothing are the most important basic needs of our life. Okay, my dears, so we finished our chapter, shelter and clothing. I hope all of you understood the whole chapter. Thank you.